Ladies and gents, good morning. Or better yet, good afternoon, because it's legit like 4 o'clock. And good morning does not seem appropriate. Good afternoon. Let's do that. I'm cooking it today. I forgot to talk. It's one of those days where I'm just cruising. I ain't got no fucking no message. I ain't got no message. Not today, broskies. Nice. Had to pull up my pants. My pants were falling off, which is, you know, one of those weird things. What a weird day today. I'm like an emotional roller coaster. What is this guy doing? Some trials and tribulations, you know. So I might as well come down now before I create more issues. Otherwise, this already weird day can turn into a much weirder one. You know? What are you doing, brah? You're gonna turn off or no? Oh, you son of a bitch. The fuck, dude? Right. There's a vlog here somewhere. For now it's just a dialogue, monologue. Dialogue. Yeah. Weird vlog. What? I don't know. What? Vlogging. What does it even fucking mean? And, did I say anything? No. Probably not. How was that for a vlog? What the fuck? I don't even know what the fuck it is that I'm doing. Nor does it fucking really matter, does it? I don't know what I do. Can't wait to be out in the open though and just cruise, because that's what I really need. Anyway, thank you for watching this weird video, and I will talk to you soon, okay? Make sure you enjoy life while you still got it. Peace.